Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole spicy. We'll start by selecting the perfect avocados, then explore various ingredients to add that desired kick. You'll learn how to prepare these elements and integrate them smoothly into your guacamole. Finally, we'll cover tips for adjusting the spice level to ensure your creation is just right for everyone. Let's get started. When it comes to adding heat, you have several excellent options. Jalapeños are a popular choice, offering a pleasant, moderate spice. For a bit more intensity, serrano peppers deliver a stronger kick. If you're seeking serious heat with a fruity undertone, habanero peppers are fantastic. Don't forget about cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes for a quick and easy way to boost the spice. To control the spice, remember that most of a pepper's heat comes from its seeds and membranes. Removing these can significantly reduce the intensity. Finely mincing your chosen peppers ensures the heat is evenly distributed throughout the guacamole. You can also incorporate a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce for a consistent, quick spice. For a dry, subtle heat, a small pinch of cayenne pepper works wonderfully. The key to perfect spicy guacamole is to taste as you go. Begin with a conservative amount of your chosen spicy ingredient, then gradually add more until you reach your desired heat level. If you accidentally make it too spicy, incorporating more avocado or a squeeze of fresh lime juice can help balance the flavors. Serve your delicious, spicy guacamole immediately with tortilla chips or fresh vegetables for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.